April, thanks. Here's the developing story this morning. We have some heartbreaking images to show you this morning of the town of Sulphur, Oklahoma. Only 5,000 people call this community home, and it got slammed by an Ef-3 tornado. I mean, look at that. Those are homes, businesses, lives that are just destroyed. One of many communities across the Great Plains impacted by a weekend tornado outbreak. In fact, the National Weather Service, we've done the math here now, more than 120 different preliminary reports of tornadoes since Friday. Most of those were in Nebraska and Oklahoma, and we can now report at least 5 deaths blamed on those tornadoes in the Central Plains, including a baby. More than 24 other people were hurt. And of course, now the push is on to help those communities hardest hit. We know that locally help is coming from Portsmouth, the Mercy Chefs. They are on the ground already in Oklahoma, serving their first meals last night in Sulphur, working with a number of churches and other nonprofits to help the families impacted all throughout the region. We also know Virginia Beach-based Operation Blessing is headed into that area too. They're going to Nebraska, the town of Elkhorn, right outside of Omaha. Their team preparing to return from Louisiana following the tornadoes there when they got word of what's going on in Nebraska and Oklahoma. So they went straight to that part of the country, left for Nebraska Saturday night. Now Elkhorn, they're in a world of hurt right now. They got a direct hit from an Ef-3 tornado, ended up flattening dozens of homes.